Hey, imagine your whole computer right in your pocket. Welcome to our explainer on portable Linux systems. Normally, a live USB wipes everything when you reboot, but what if it actually remembered your files? The secret sauce is persistence. It's a dedicated writable space so your USB doesn't wipe itself fresh. So why Ubuntu? Its rock-solid Debian roots, secure defaults, and slick interface make it the perfect companion. You'll just need a PC, your Ubuntu ISO file, and a speedy 8GB or larger USB drive. Setup actually depends on your comfort level. We've got simple click-through tools right up to advanced terminal commands. Let's kick off with YUMI. If you're a Windows user wanting a super easy graphical approach, this is it. It's a breeze. Just select your drive, load the ISO, and drag the slider to enable persistence. Next up, Etcher. Super fast for basic flashing, but sadly, no automatic persistence out of the box. To get persistence here, you've got to manually carve out an extend4 partition and tweak your bootloader settings. Now, if you live in the Linux terminal, the powerful DD command is your advanced, totally custom route. But seriously, be careful. One typo with double D can literally wipe your entire main hard drive instantly. You'll write the image, manually format that second partition, and carefully edit the grub boot menu yourself. All set? Just restart, mash that BIOS key like F12, and boot right from your new drive. Enjoy your pocket-sized OS. And hey, if you absolutely love it, just install it permanently to your PC. You've got ultimate flexibility now. So are you rescuing old computers or building a secret on-the-go workstation?